What I want to do today is connect our Google Calendar and TickTick apps so that whenever a new event is uploaded into our Google Calendar, a new task will automatically be created in our TickTick account. Zapier is a no-code tool that makes it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial so you can try it risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. Because I want Google Calendar to trigger the creation of a task in TickTick, I'll need to use Google Calendar as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click New Event as my event and then click Continue. Setting this as the trigger means that anytime an event is created in Google Calendar, it's going to run this workflow. The first time we set up Google Calendar, we'll need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Google account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses industry standards for encryption when connecting with each of your apps. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. Next, we'll need to enter our trigger app's data. Under Calendar, choose the calendar that you want to use for your Zap. Then click Continue. In order to finish setting up this trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. Type in TickTick into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Add Task and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate TickTick with Zapier, just like I did with my Google account. By the way, if at any point you get stuck, Zapier's got an amazing support team that can help you out. There's a link in the description to their forum post for this specific workflow. Click Continue and it's time to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps field. First, pick the list you want your data to appear on. I'm going to click Inbox. Next, for the task name, I'll click Summary. For the task content, I'll click Description. And for the start date, I'll click Event Begins Pretty. Then I'll click Continue. Click Test and Review, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime a new event is created in Google Calendar, a task will automatically be created in our selected TickTick channel. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.